and I hope you guys are doing well. So guys, today I am going to be doing a review or unboxing. This is one of the gifts that I got as a wedding gift, and I got this from my German parents last born gave us this for as a wedding gift, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about this gift. Okay guys, German culture and African culture, I'm going to be talking about it today, and just a little. This is not what this video is all about, but I'm going to be telling you the reason why I got this gift. So a few days before our wedding, we visited our German parents, and then they made dinner. We had dinner with them. They made chips, potato chips, and chicken. And the potato chip was so crispy. Is it crispy that it is called? And it was so delicious. But the most interesting aspect of it was that they did not use oil to fry it. Okay, you guys know that about living healthy and avoiding so many things at this time. Okay guys, so that was the most interesting thing, and I showed them how much I loved what they used in preparing the potato chips, and they used this Medion. So guys, I'm going to be doing the review of this and the unpacked. I have used it in their house. I have not used it here, but I'm going to be doing the unpacking with you guys, and as time goes on, I'm going to be telling you how to use it and the things that I'll use in preparing it. And I love this product, the Medion product, because it is made in Germany. It's a German product. So let us just go ahead and unbox it, and then I'll get back to you. And about the story, in Germany, when you get a gift from those who are very close to you, they tend to get the idea of the things that you need while you are discussing with them. So that day I had a dinner with her mother, and we told her, oh, I love this. And after we left their place, we got home, and we were even looking at the internet to get one, and the one that we saw was about 220 euros, which was very expensive. We were planning a wedding, we were moving out at the same time, and that was very expensive for us at that time. So we said no, that we'll wait until we have enough money. But to my greatest surprise, we got this as a gift, and I'm super excited. So Danielle, if you ever see this video, thank you so much for this wedding gift. We appreciate it and we love it so much, and thank you for it. We love it. Thank you. So guys, let us open it. This is the pack, and the first thing that we are going to get is, of course, the manual. And it is well packaged so that you will not say you did not see it. This is the manual on how it is, how to use it. I'm very sure of how to use it and the things that you can actually make inside of it. So guys, it is well packaged, and this is it. Oh, it is packaged with something like a crate to protect it. And guys, I don't know, but let's see if it is able to come us or no. It's not able to know. Okay guys, I'm going to go ahead and turn it upside down gradually. Oh, I have to hold it so that it doesn't fall down. So I turned it upside down. It's actually heavy. Gosh, this is the biggest size, guys, and honestly, I cannot thank this lady and her husband anymore. This is the biggest size. When I mean this is the biggest size, this is how many liter is this? This is wow, this is 2.8 liters. So this is for 4 or 5 people. This will go very well for 4 or 5 people. It is well packaged, and it is so beautiful. I love it. It is so beautiful, and I love the color also. And in front here is the timing if you are making fish with it, if you are making crayfish, if you are making pork meat, if you are making cake, if you make fish, different types of meat, and if you are making chips. So you can actually use it to make 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different types of meal. You can use it to bake cake. I didn't know. So guys, let's open it and see. I don't know how to open it. Okay. Let's see how it goes. Okay. Oh. So guys, there's opening here. Oh. This is super heavy. And this is the main pot. Oh god, this is super nice. I don't know, are you able to remove? Okay, oh god, you can actually remove the pan where you put the pumas, you put the fish, whatever it is that you're baking. I think this is a place where you will have to put it, and this is so nice. And this is part of it also. Okay, so guys, I love it. And there's actually a white thing here, so when you want to open it, you have to press, and then it releases this part of it. So I'm going to put it right back. And yes guys, I love equipment like this. I love it in the house because it is super easy to use. And another thing that I have been planning to buy was also a deep fryer. But now that I have an air fryer, I'm not going to be needing that anymore. I am not going to be needing that anymore. I might still have to buy it if I'm making akara, even though I don't know if it is okay to use deep fryer to make akara, but I'm going to still try. But I think for now it's not also going to be on my wish list. So for this kitchen, I am not going to have that anymore as a wish. Okay guys, oh, so guys, that is it. And oh, the pack is still there. I just love the way it is packed because there's not actually a lot of wool and papers and all that. So I really love the way they packed it. Trying to remove. There's not a lot of nylon. I think this is the only nylon that they use in packing it, which is super nice, and which is also very good for our earth. And this is just this is not plastic. This is made of paper, and I love it. I love it. If all of us are watching out for the weather and we're watching out for the earth and all that, yes, I love the fact that, hey, you guys used only little paper, little nylon to wrap it. So guys, that is it today, and I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. As time goes on, we will go ahead and be using it together, and I'm going to be showing you guys. Thank you so much guys for staying tuned, and see you in my next video. Bye bye. So I'm going to take it off. Wow guys, I'm going to bring this closer so that you see it. Guys, this is amazing. This is amazing. It is properly cooked. Look at that. Wow. I have to bring the camera closer so that you can see it. So guys, this is how it looks like. This is the end of it, and I think it's properly cooked. I'm going to try it and see, and turn it over to see if it's properly cooked. Look at that guys, it is properly cooked for only 40 minutes and 200 degree. Wow, I think this is better than, I have not tested it, so I don't know if it will really taste nice, but I think this is actually amazing. This is amazing. I love the outcome of it, and I'm going to make pomas. If I don't make pomas today because I don't know if I have the time, maybe I will make pomas with it again so that I will show you guys. But this is honestly amazing. I love the way it looks. And look at that, all the oil is gone and it is very, very nice. Wow. So guys, this is very, very nice. I'm going to allow it to cool off, and then this is what we are going to have for dinner. So guys, that is it.